5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One day, the glare of sunlight blurred his vision as he opened his eyes to see the bare-breasted man.
Hey, don't move. Who are you? And where am I? I'm Pastor Briggs. Please don't move, for you might bleed again. You are badly injured, and a little rest will surely help you. If you wish, we will talk about this later. Pastor Briggs? Where I have seen this man?
He woke up and clearly saw the image of a pretty face, scantily dressed, giving him the impression that she just came in from a swimming pool.
Do you want it to sit now?
Who are you?
My name is Diana. I'm the eldest daughter of Pastor Briggs.
Pastor Briggs? Who am I? And where am I?
Your license bears the name of Aaron R. Marks. You crash landed here at Paradiso Island.
Paradiso? Why I'm here? Don't you know you were sent by the Lord? Really?
After the day that Aaron had a conversation with Pastor Briggs and Diana, he searched for his missing glider.
Where my glider is? Oh, my sports glider. This has a broken wing. Hey,
Hi, I'm Aaron, who has been experienced a crash accident.
yes I am.
Oh really? Did you know that in our place, we don't choose a modern technology? Because it pollutes our environment.
Oh really? How boring your place is. Well, it is Pastor Griggs' advocacy because in Paradiso Island, we do love environment.
After Aaron had seen the elders, he admitted to himself the necessity of preserving the natural resources, but he couldn't force his mind to accept the bigotry and be a fanatic. He went back to his glider to fix it. After fixing the glider, he went to see Diana.
I will come back to mainland, where I really belong. You know that I have feelings for you. Do you want to come with me?
No, I can't, Aaron. This is the place where I belong.
Please come with me.
No, I can't. Aaron, no, I can't.
Please come
I
with
can't,
me.
Aaron. I can't.
He went back and ride his glider to go back to his mainland.
Aaron, stop! Your fuel will spill!
But Aaron's glider crashed.
What's happening? Oh my gosh! Our world is getting polluted because of the modern technology. Oh my gosh! We should be go in a safe place. Oh my gosh, what's that man? Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!